You're a landscape lighting designer, so chances are you're a very visual person. You love to see how it's going to look, but that's not where we start with lighting design. What I like to start with is the documentation. From there, we're able to have the drawings. A scaled drawing is going to help you place the luminaires, look at the overall scale, look at the different phases or sections of lighting, the different scenes you may be creating, and build everything out from there. So while we love showcasing the renderings and allowing our customers to see the visual effect, I think the drawings are the most important thing that you're gonna provide to your clients to elevate your designs. So we are huge proponents on drawings first. The drawing is something that we're going to take the address, take some visual aerials of the property, and come up with a scaled drawing. We're gonna try and make it as detailed as possible. The more detailed that you want it, simply by numbering trees, it's just time and cost of building that out. Some properties are very easy, some are very complicated, but we're able to work with you throughout whatever scale the property is going to be to provide drawings. The second thing that we offer is the renderings. The renderings allow your client to visually see what you're imagining your drawing to look like, what you're imagining your overall lighting project to look like. So the simple ones that we do are really high-end and look beautiful, and it's using different Photoshop methods to showcase lighting. So not everything's the same. AI is another tool that you may use. We personally go and do it all ourselves because I believe it takes a lighting designer with the ability to understand Photoshop to make our projects look realistic. So at Sterling Lighting, those are the two phases we begin with. So if you're just looking for a basic Sterling lighting, which is not basic at all, but a basic project from us, you're gonna provide a rendering and drawing. The one question that I get a lot is, when do you offer this? Do you offer it on just your larger jobs over $50,000 or $100,000? Personally, I offer it on basically every job we go on. If it's 5 path lights, maybe not, or an add-on. We may not add it on that, but from a documentation standpoint, a value of your business, if you have a drawing of every project you go on, your business becomes more valuable. If you have that documentation to look back at 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road, that is also a valuable tool. So creating working documentation will elevate your business, and it's really what you learn at when you go to cold. When you take the cold program, you're learning documentation, and we assist you in the documentation. So that's where we start off on our visual effects and our basic package that we provide for you.